back to another episode. Today we're going to be deleting the power steering on the silver car using a Devsport kit. Reason I'm deleting the power steering: A, I want to drop a couple pounds. B, I prefer the feeling of no power steering to power steering. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take this ground off and take the tension off the power steering pulley belt. Just remove this 10 here and loosen up this tensioner bolt here. Next up, you want to loosen this 12 here and a 12 right down there. Don't take them all the way out yet. Once those are loosened, the belt should just pop right off. I'm going to remove these two 10s. I haven't taken any fluid out, so we'll probably lose a little bit right here. But I have like a sandwich bag I'm going to stick this on and tape around it. Next up, I'm going to remove this clamp, pull this up. I'm going to put a bag on it the same way as I did this. Once you have that hose undone, you can remove the power steering pump. So moving along, we're going to remove all the 10s that hold down the hard lines. 10 on the valve cover, there's 10 here, and there's a few more on the side. So once you have all those bolts out, you'll have an electrical connector right here. And down here on the actual rack itself, you'll have one clip with a screw, and the other one's threaded in, I believe, with a 14. You just want to loosen these up. I'm going to do it from the bottom. Already have the car jacked up. Alright, so everything's out. And here's everything just sitting right here. Where the connector was that I showed you, there's this right here that's bolted to the subframe. It's just 110. You need to take off in order to get this line out. So now we're going to turn the wheel about 2 or 3 times, lock to lock, and drain some of the excess fluid out. So I was turning the steering wheel all the way to the right, and then from the right all the way to the left, back to the middle. A lot more came out than I thought it would for just 1.5 full turns, but I'm going to just leave it like that. There's still plenty of fluid left in there. So now we're going to open up this. There's 2 different size fittings. One's a little bit bigger. That's going to go in the upper hole towards the passenger side. Smaller one is going to go driver's side lower. And it's just tighten these 2. And that's pretty much it. So the line's all installed. Took off all the little brackets and everything off the intake manifold here. Cleaned this up a bit. I'm going to lower the car back down. Take it for a test drive. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. It's a day and night difference between having power steering and not having power steering. I personally like it. Some people don't like it because when you're sitting still, there's a lot more effort involved in turning the wheel. But the Devsport kit came with everything I needed. Everything fit perfectly. And can't wait to drive the car a little bit more and enjoy it. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.